am Julie Estes. I'm the Digital Innovations Librarian at Southwest High School. I've been in our district this is my 8th year, and I've been in education for 30. This is my 30th year. We created the Dragon Roots and Recipes Cooking and Gardening Club mainly because the kids got really excited when we got an Ed Foundation grant last year and we got our hydroponic gardens. And we started growing lettuce and herbs and things like that. And then they really got interested in, okay, so now we have it, what are we gonna do with it? And so we added the cooking component this year. And the kids are really excited. We have about 40 members that come to our monthly meetings. And the meeting that we're having today actually is after a harvest of basil and chives and some other herbs out of our garden. We'll be making some lemon basil pasta. We talked a lot about sustainability the last few years in our district, and I made it a personal goal to try to build that into our library programming. And so the sustainability of hydroponic gardening is a big lesson for kids, and I wanted students to understand where their food came from and to understand how to cook things that are good for them, and to really understand organic gardening, and sustainability was really important to that. Well, we've had the ability to bring in some chefs from the city. So Fish City Grill's general manager and head chef came and taught our students some cooking lessons and talked about what it was like to work in the restaurant industry. And so for me, I really hope that our students will take away from it maybe a career goal, or possibly just being able to be creative in their own kitchens and take fresh food and learn how to make it work in their homes. We do spend a lot of time during lunches and before and after school. The kids come in and they tend the garden, they prep for our meetings. So they will come in and chop vegetables or chop herbs or saute things to get ready for the club. And the cool thing about this year, our other Ed Foundation grant, they gave us the ability to buy some really cool kitchen equipment. And so we're able to not just use our little tiny microwave in the library, but we now have really, really nice equipment that the students can learn how to cook the real way. I am Julie Estes, and we are Southwest.